Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another African threading video for you guys. This hairstyle is so cute. It's another one of my summer hairstyles. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a while, so I decided to give you guys a really good one. Anyways, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. So I saw this hairstyle on Instagram and I really liked it and I wanted to try it out on my hair. So I decided to do a little experiment and see how it would look like if I did it on my own hair, and this is the result. So I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I did it and everything, the process. I basically combined two techniques to do this hairstyle, but you guys will see it in the video. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so we want to start by doing our sections in the front. So this is the front section for the bangs. It's going from one edge of my eyebrow to the other. And then for the back, we're going to be doing flat twists going upwards, and these are all the flat twist sections. I think I had about 20 to 24 sections. Anyways, now as you can see, I'm flat twisting, and I'm flat twisting my hair upwards to the middle of my head. Now I'm not going to flat twist all the way to the end. I'm actually going to stop like when I get to the top of my head, and then I'm going to thread the remainder of my hair. As you can see, I'm passing a needle through the flat twist, and I'm going to use the thread to wrap around the remaining section to the end of my hair. So I'm just wrapping it around. If you have any question at this point, please ask me. If this part is confusing, ask me out and I'll explain. I'll show you guys again with another section. But as you can see, I'm just taking the thread and wrapping it around my hair till I get to the end. Now you can finish the flat twist up until the end, but I chose to thread because since I've been doing threading hairstyles recently, I found out that threading stretches out my hair more than when I do twists. So since I wanted some length in my ponytail, I decided to do threading at the end instead of just simply flat twisting it up until the end. So it's just like a personal preference. I just wanted a little bit more length in my ponytail, so I decided to thread that portion of the section. So you don't have to if you don't want to, but yeah, that is an option. Anyways, I'm doing another section. As you can see, I flat twist to the top of my head. Then I take a needle and pass it through the flat twist. Use my finger to hold the end of the thread, and I'm just going to wrap the thread around the remainder of my hair till I get to the end. Like I said, if there's any confusion, if you have any question about this part, definitely ask me down below and I'll try my best to answer. So I wasn't really sure what style I was going for. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to put beads on the flat twist or not. So as you can see, I'm not putting beads on the end of the sections yet. I'm just threading to the end and like tying the thread at the end. I've showed you guys how I tied the thread at the end in my two previous threading videos. If you haven't seen those videos, I suggest that you watch those so that you have like an idea of how to do African threading and how to tie the thread at the end and what type of thread to use. I showed you guys all of that in my two previous African threading videos, so I didn't feel the need to include that in this video. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys the technique. Like I said, you flat twist at the beginning till you get to the top of your head, and then you thread the rest of the section. That helps to give you more length if you want more length in your ponytail. So I'm done doing most of the back. Now I'm gonna do the front. As you guys saw initially, I sectioned out the front. Now I'm going to be doing 4 flat twists coming forward on each side. So I'm just sectioning off my hair now for the flat twists. So I usually use like this little like clips to hold my hair in place when I'm flat twisting, so that hair doesn't like get into, you know, so that my sections stay like the parts stay open or so. But anyways, as you can see, I'm flat twisting coming forward, so the flat twist is going to be in my face. This is the section that is going to form the bangs, and if you have shorter hair, you actually, this part will be easier for you to do when it's time to do the bantu knots at the end. So as you can see, I've already flat twisted one half. As you can see, 4 flat twists are already done on the left side, so I'm just basically doing the same thing on the right side. And as you can see, I decided to curve the flat twist, the front bang flat twist sections a little bit. So when you're doing your sectioning, try to curve it a little bit. I thought it would look nicer that way instead of just doing it straight coming forward. So I'm doing the fourth flat twist coming forward on the right side. So now I have 8 flat twists in front, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. These are the flat twists that will form the bangs. I didn't thread in this part. I just did flat twisting completely because I really wasn't going for length, since these are the twists that are going to form the bangs. So I just did regular flat twists. No need for threading the front. So I'm just finishing up my back sections, my ponytail sections. I think, yeah, this is the last section. As you can see, I am flat twisting the section. Then I'm going to stop flat twisting when I get to the top of my head, and then thread the remainder of the section. This style actually took me 2 days to do, but that was because I was doing my hair by myself. If someone else is doing this hairstyle for you, it shouldn't take that long. You'll probably be done in a day, but I was doing my hair myself and I was stopping in between, so it ended up taking me 2 days. If you actually like focus and do the hairstyle without any interruptions, you should be able to do it in a day. So I am done, practically done. As you can see, the front pieces for the bangs, and then we have the back ponytail sections all done. Now we're gonna start putting in the beads. So I got these beads at my local beauty supply store. It was $4.99 for a pack, and one pack was more than enough for me to bead my entire head of hair. So I just use different combinations of beads. Do it however you like. Now we are beading. Okay, we're gonna be beading the back ponytail section now. So as you can see, I'm taking my white beader. I put the beads on the beader, and I'm just going to use that to push the beads through the section, and then tie it and wrap the thread around the last bead and just secure it tight in a knot. Like I said, I already have a previous video where I show you guys in detail how to tie the thread at the end after you put the bead. You can click the eye at the top if you want to see that video. Anyways, this is a different combination of beads that I'm using, so just mix and match however you like. You can use the same type of beads, you can do a combination. I wanted to do a combination because I thought it would look nicer, so just do it however you like. So now I'm doing the front. If you have longer hair and you want to do the bangs, this is what you should do. So as you can see, I just put on like a gold bead, and I pushed it to around eye level, and I'm going to do bantu knots at the end, at the bottom of the bead, to form the bangs. So very simple and very straightforward, just like that. So again, take the bead out, push the gold bead to around eye level, around your eyebrow level, or where you want the bang to stop, and then do bantu knots at the end. So I am done beading the front, and this is how it should look. As you can see, I had 8 pieces in front. I used 6 of those pieces to do the bangs, and then the 2 pieces at the very end, I just basically used those to frame my face. So I went ahead and put on some makeup and everything, and this is the final result. As you can see, I flipped the ponytail around kind of like in a bun, and I really love how this thing turned out. This style is so beautiful. I think out of all my African threading videos that I've done, hair tutorials that I've done, this one is my favorite one. I love this hairstyle so much. I'm going to rock the hell out of this hairstyle this summer. So I'm just turning around, giving you guys kind of like a 360. Obviously, the length and thickness of your hair will also affect how the hairstyle turns out. However, there is a way that you can do this to achieve the exact same look if you have shorter hair. I'm using added hair, and I always say that in all my videos that you can use added hair, but I've never really shown you guys how to do it. So I'm planning on filming this hairstyle again with someone that has shorter hair. Hopefully I can find someone that I can use for the video, but if I do, I'm definitely going to make this tutorial again on shorter hair so that you guys will see how to do it if you have shorter hair. This hairstyle is so cute. I'm really happy that I tried it out on my hair. I absolutely love how it is, and to be honest, I think I'm going to be wearing it like in a bun. I actually really like it, like how it looks like when it's in a bun. So I'm probably gonna like be bunning this most of the time. Let me know if you guys like the bun version, but yeah, I prefer it in a bun. I'm thinking of doing this style on someone else's hair, but someone that has like much shorter hair than me, just to show you guys a different technique to use if you want to do this hairstyle but you have shorter hair. So let me know if that is something that you guys want to see. I had a lot of fun doing this hairstyle. I really like how it turned out on my hair. This is definitely going to be another style I'm going to be rocking a lot this summer. If you have any questions about any process, any step of the process, let me know and I'll try my best to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.